Hello, San Diego plant people. Each week I rate a San Diego native plant on a scale of 1 to 10, and this week we have the beautiful Ceanothus. This is an absolutely gorgeous plant. You can see it's blooming right now. It blooms in late winter, early spring with these beautiful bluish-purple blooms. There are a few species that bloom with white flowers, but most of them are this beautiful bluish-purple. There are over a dozen species of this plant growing in San Diego. Two of them, the San Diego or Ramona lilac and the Lakeside lilac, have San Diego connections in their name, so you can see how common they are here. They're evergreen. They're absolutely beautiful. They have these little leaves that make them incredibly well adapted to our long, hot, dry summers. They are so drought tolerant and well adapted that you do not want to water these in the summer. They are also nitrogen fixers. What that means is there's a ton of nitrogen in our atmosphere, but there's very little of it in the soil. These work with a bacteria in a symbiotic relationship to create nitrogen and fix it to their roots, which also shares it, and it basically acts as a fertilizer for all the plants around it. So just a really special plant. They get big and bushy, so great habitat for birds. Birds can even nest in there when they get big enough, and then pollinators love them as well. I planted this one about 3.5 years ago, and I've given it literally no help. It was the first plant I planted in my yard when I converted it from a lawn into a mostly native landscape. You can also use the flowers as soap, which I can demonstrate, and just a beautiful plant. So all in all, based on everything I said, I think it's pretty clear. Ceanothus, easy, 10 out of 10. Let me know what plant I should rate next. But Ceanothus, 10 out of 10.